Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today I want to talk about something that I think a lot of people are sleeping on right now, and that's Claude Skills inside Claude Code. Now I know the name sounds simple, but once you actually understand what skills are and how they work, it completely changes how you use Claude. Like it changes the game. So in this video, I'm going to break down what exactly is a skill, why it matters, how you can build one yourself, and then we're going to do a full live demo where I actually use a skill I built to analyze a real legal contract, start to finish. Let's get into it. Okay, so what is a skill? Think of it like this. If you want to hire a software developer, they need to know front-end, back-end, databases, maybe DevOps, a bunch of different competencies, right? They're not just a generic computer person. They have specific trained expertise. Claude Skills work the same way. And here's what I love about this. You can build skills for literally anything. Legal document review, content creation, marketing copy, code reviews, database architecture, anything. And once it's built, you install it, you use it, you can even share it with your team. Alright, so let me show you where this lives in Claude Code. Once you've got Claude Code open, and if you don't have it installed yet, it's super easy, just go grab it. You're going to go to customize and then you'll see the skills section. Now, if you haven't created anything yet, you'll see some example skills in there just to show you what's possible. But once you start building your own, they show up under My Skills and you can enable or disable them individually. I've already got a few built, including a skill builder template, which I'm actually going to use live in a second, so you can see exactly how the whole flow works. Okay, let's build something. I'm going to create a law firm skill, basically teaching Claude to think and act like a legal document reviewer. And I'm going to do this from scratch, right here, right now. So I'll just type in the chat, I want to create a new skill for my law firm. And watch what happens. Claude immediately detects my skill builder template and kicks off the intake process. It starts asking me targeted questions to understand exactly what I need. First, what should this skill help with? Contract review, legal document drafting, client intake, case summaries, legal research? I'll go with contract review. That's the core use case. Next, what type of law does your firm practice? Corporate, employment, real estate, litigation? I'll choose corporate. Then, who's going to use this? Lawyers, paralegals, partners, all of the above? I'll say all lawyers and partners. Now it asks, when reviewing contracts, what should Claude always flag? Things like unfavorable clauses, missing standard provisions, unusual IP ownership terms, penalty clauses. I'll select the ones most relevant to corporate work. And then a few more quick ones. Preferred document tone, whether outputs should include a disclaimer to verify with a qualified lawyer, things like that. That whole intake takes maybe 2 minutes, and then it generates the skill file. You can see it right there, law-firm-skill.md. That's the format, by the way. Skills are just markdown files, which means you can read them, edit them, share them, even download them and upload them somewhere else. And looking at what it generated, it's solid. It's got contract review logic, NDA analysis, clause checking, risk flagging, everything I specified. Now let me actually use this thing. I've added it to my skills, it's enabled, and now I'm going to throw a real employment contract at it. Just a template document, nothing sensitive. I'll upload the file and just say, check this employment contract. And here's where it gets interesting. Claude doesn't just summarize the document like it would normally. It pulls up the skill, follows the review framework I defined, and gives me a structured legal analysis. Look at this output. It's flagging an incomplete non-compete clause, a missing penalty clause definition, unusual IP ownership language, several placeholder fields that weren't filled in. It's even color coding the risk level. And at the bottom, and this is important, it automatically adds, I am not a lawyer and this does not constitute legal advice. Always refer to a qualified legal professional. That's in the skill. I told it to always include that. And it does, every single time. That's the power here. Consistent, structured, expert level output without having to re-explain yourself every. One more thing I want to show you, sharing skills. Because once you have built a skill, it's not just for you. You can download that .md file and send it to anyone on your team. They upload it to their Claude Code, enable it, and now they're working from the same playbook as you. There's also a growing marketplace of community skills out there, from Claude's own ecosystem to other AI platforms. You can grab a pre-built skill, download it, and just upload it here under Customize, Skills, Upload. It literally takes 10 seconds. So that's Claude Skills, what they are, how to build them, and how to use them in real work. I've already built skills for YouTube scripts, document creation, and now legal review. And honestly, I'm just getting started. I'll be dropping more videos showing skills for different industries and use cases, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss those. If you've got questions or there's a specific skill you want me to build on camera, drop it in the comments. I read everything. See you in the next one.